You and Photoshop are becoming best buddies. You spend hours together every single day, but you feel like you need to learn more to sharpen your skills in Photoshop. Good thing I have 5 must-know Photoshop tricks everyone should know. Number 1. So, your workspace suddenly looks like this. It's a mess and you don't know what to do. Don't worry, you can fix this in just one click. Go to the window menu on top and go to your workspaces. Then in here, click the reset button. There you go, problem solved. Number 2. Using the Eyedropper tool outside Photoshop. With the Eyedropper tool in the toolbar, you can select any color in Photoshop, and as you can see on the bottom left, Photoshop will allow you to use this color in brushes, shapes, basically anything. But what if I want the color of my Windows desktop? To do that, simply click inside Photoshop and drag until you're at your desktop. Then as you can see on the bottom left, Photoshop allows you to use the color of your desktop. That's awesome, right? Number 3. Removing the black background from an image using the blending modes. So I really want to add this lens flare on top of my thumbnail, but as you can see, the background is black. Now to get rid of it, go to the blending modes and select one of these. I like to work with screen or add most of the time. Trick number 4. Copying effects from one layer to another. To do that, go to the layer panel, then hold down Alt on your keyboard and click and hold the effects icon on the effects you want to copy. Then simply drag them to another layer. There you go. Trick number 5. Removing the background from this picture of a girl. To do that, go to the toolbar and choose the Object Selection tool. Then in your canvas, click and drag a box around the person. Once that's done, Photoshop will now make a selection around her. Then all you need to do is click the mask button. That's all to it. Now, learning the shortcuts is essential if you want to finish your work faster. To continue the lesson, click the video right here. Thank you so much for watching.